Hey guys, it's me. I'm back again. I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I've been really busy with school and all that. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how to not be intimidated by a shotgun. Like, I'm a person, well, a player who uses a shotgun because I find that one, like, one strike does a lot of damage. And I just like it like that, and I've been used to it so much that it feels kind of weird for me to use a normal, like, um, sniper thing. But yeah, I'm gonna show you, like, how to kind of, like, get away from shotguns and, like, run away from them and, like, hide and, like, just how to beat them generally. So I just need to find a server. What? No! What the fuck? Ugh, fucking hell. Okay. I swear to fucking god. If I end up on Ochawa's, okay, so I'm trying to like find a person who's a shotgunner to be on the other side of the team so I can show you guys like how to get away from a shotgun. If I end up on his fucking, okay, good, I'm not on his fucking team. I need to show you guys how to get away from a fucking shotgun. Okay, 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 let's start this shit. Oof, yeah, like, you get intimidated, right? Like, the sound is loud and scary or whatever, but really, there's no such thing to fear. I mean, like, don't be too scared, because I say, like, chickening a person is your last resort. Like, that's the last thing you do. Like, you have no other options. You chicken them. But, okay. I'm gonna do the classic trick. Hide behind the doorway thing. Okay. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to fucking find him. Oh, fuck. Okay, okay, so he found me. Now, what I say is get close to him. Why am I lagging? Like, get all up on his face. Make sure he doesn't... Oh, fuck. Why are you chicken him? I need this for this video, man. Okay, like, get up all up... Get close to him. You know, like, blind spot. Like, try to get a blind spot? What? What am I saying? Okay, like, okay. Like, the best way is... Oh, fuck, what the fuck? Man, what the fuck? Fucking shit player, man. Ah, idiot. Okay, I'm gonna have to respawn. Ah, shit. Fucking toilet. Oof. Okay, so my trick slash tip is like get close to the gunner, like, because when you're close to them, they can't see you. You're kind of like invisible, kind of like in a blind spot, you know. And so like they won't be able to shoot you. Is he close? Man, what if... Okay, like I said, oh my god, I need him to focus on me, you dumb fucking cunt. Okay, here, I'll go on him. Okay, so he can't shoot you if you're close to him, or get sneaky, you know, kind of like make it so. Well, yeah, you fucking bomb me. I need this for a video, man. Like, wow. I need to clearly show. Okay, hello. Let me get my shit together, okay? I'm gonna show you how to get away from a person who uses a shotgun. Bitch! He left the game. He fucking left the game. I need to make this. Oh my god. You know what? That's all y'all fucking getting. This is the content you guys subscribe for. I hope you guys are happy. And there's an ad. How fucking convenient. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, that was it. I hope you guys liked the video. Follow me on Instagram. It's Dildo Lord.